Over the last 2 years, a lot of projects are leveraging the high fees and slowness on Ethereum in order to build a faster, more robust and cheaper blockchain. But because most of the developers are on Ethereum, EVM remains a top pick when it comes to developers. And in today's video I'll discuss Telos. Let's find out what it's all about. Telos claim to be home to the fastest EVM, not only fast but also cost-effective, greener and honest. The idea is that through these advantages they can lead the way for a better Web3. Telos were built in 2018, so they've been in this space for quite some time now, and they're a layer 1 blockchain. When they say it's fast and scalable, it's because they have battle tested 10,000 transactions per second and their half-a-second block times. They don't actually charge any fees on their native blockchain, and the fees on the EVM are very small. They're decentralized because their block producers are spread around the world, and there's also no front running because of the first in first out transaction functionalities, which eliminate front running. They're eco-friendly as one of the most energy efficient blockchain because of their consensus algorithm. They're also community governed. Most of us are well aware governance is important when it comes to on-chain decisions, and Telos are also offering that functionality. Telos are the first EVM compatible blockchain built on EOS.io. You can deploy and run your Ethereum apps using the Telos EVM, which uses Ethereum's programming language Solidity as well as Viper. But you also have the option to use Telos as native blockchain, which uses the classy programming language C++, which is widely known by many software developers. You're also natively running on EOS.io, C++ smart contract tech. Looking at the ecosystem, there are already quite a lot of L2 dApps, and we can see some such as Kudo, which is for game devs, Zappy, which is a DEX, and even SushiSwap has been integrated. Regarding comparisons to other blockchains, Telos are comparing their TPS, energy consumption, front-running governance function, and they're doing better than Polygon, Ethereum, Solana, and AVAX, but surprisingly they haven't compared to Polkadot or Cosmos, as I know that Polkadot's TPS is higher and they share the same governance function. Hopefully they'll update this section from their website eventually. Very easy way to add the Telos network to your MetaMask by going to their website, whose link can be found in the description and pinned comment of the video, by the way. As always, this isn't a recommendation for buying, but the team have also added a feature that allows a person to purchase their native coin directly with fiat from the website if you are interested. Looking at the tokenomics, the Telos ecosystem is powered by the Telos coin. They're mentioning that they launched in 2018, they had no ICO or VC funding, which is interesting, uses delegated proof of stake consensus mechanism, the total supply is 355 million, circulated is 243 million, and the circulated supply increases by 4.1 million every month, and because they've been around for a while, they have also got 1 million wallet holders, which is a very large amount. They also offer strong utility and resource ownership, governance, and financial use case. Telos powers the entire Telos blockchain. Rex offers high APY rewards for staking Telos, and also accessible resources are provided for new developers. Now it's important to know the origins and the links to the known projects in the crypto space, and Telos had links to EOS if you happen to remember them. The snapshot for when Genesis was created derived from EOS network. The Telos coin has an interesting feature in that the more you stake, the more access you have to those resources. So someone that stakes 1% of the Telos supply have access to 1% of the network's resources. Think of it like owning a deed to a plot of land, which increases in value as the demand for real estate increases as well. There's also a bridge between different ecosystems and Telos, including the Ethereum to Telos bridge by a team called Rubik. So if you are interested, you can use that bridge too from the link on their website. Regarding the block explorer, we can see where some of the nodes are around the world, which is well distributed, so that's a plus, as they did claim to have validators across the world. There's also TelosScan, which is another one of their block explorers for the EVM version, which gives you access to extra features, including gas costs, but also staking. Looking at the staking feature, they're currently offering 11.86% APY. There's a TVL of over 21.5 million TLOS currently in staking. They've also been audited by Sentinel, so the smart contract has been checked for bugs and other possible issues. Telos also has no ownership of your staked Telos, and once you stake, you can generate S-Telos, which is the staked version of the coin, still liquid, and it can be exchanged should you wish to do that. The team also said there's no third-party team behind S-Telos, and so that the protocol has been built by the same team that built the Telos blockchain. Looking at their team, we can see Justik Judici as the director and the guy in charge, as well as AG Dinger for business development, Crystal Narain for marketing, and then there's the development team as well if we scroll further down in the team list. Jesse Schulman, Rami James, etc. Each one can be found on LinkedIn if you wanted to research their work history. Regarding their roadmap, they've already worked on a lot of features since the ecosystem has grown quite a lot, and as we can see, they're working on some new DAO voter features, stablecoin partnerships, NFTs, and Telos location, which is a longer term plan from their roadmap. You can get more details on each one of these milestones by clicking on them. Looking at the GitHub page, we can see that there are at the very least 12 contributors, but there could be more as GitHub shows you more info when you log in, and I wasn't logged in. Regarding the programming languages, as you can see, they support some of the common ones out there like C++, JavaScript, TypeScript, etc., which is a big plus for developers who may be looking to contribute. And of course, one of the important parts of the project, the dev activity. We can see there was activity in various repositories today, and quite a lot of code commits have been pushed to. And as we can see in the small charts to the right, you can also follow the Telos Foundation on Twitter if you want to stay up to date with the latest info. Also, don't forget that you can find the link to their website, staking website, and Twitter in the description of this video, as well as the pinned comment. Thanks as always for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, or comment if you have any questions or concerns. Your feedback is always welcome. Take care, till next time.